In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create shortcuts for Google Chrome apps in Windows 11 so you can launch your favorite websites like apps right from your desktop or start menu. This is a simple trick that works great for Gmail, YouTube, Netflix, WhatsApp web, and any other site you use all the time. It helps keep your workflow faster and your most used web apps easier to access. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. Once Chrome is open, go to the website you want to turn into a shortcut. For example, you can use Gmail, YouTube, Netflix, or WhatsApp web. The important part here is to wait until the website fully loads because Chrome needs the page to be ready before creating the shortcut. After the site loads, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find several browser options. From here, hover over or click on Save and Share. When you do that, a few more options will appear, including the shortcut feature we need. Now click Create Shortcut. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name the shortcut. Type the name you want to use for the app shortcut. For example, if you're creating a shortcut for YouTube, just name it YouTube. This is the name that will show on your desktop and in your start menu, so choose something that's easy to recognize. Once you've entered the name, click Create. Chrome will automatically generate the shortcut for you. Depending on your settings, it may place the shortcut on your desktop or make it available in Windows 11 so you can pin it wherever you want. And that's it. You've now created a Chrome app shortcut in Windows 11. This is a really useful way to make websites feel more like installed apps without having to install anything extra. You can repeat the same process for any site you use often, which is a great way to save time and stay organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows 11 and Chrome tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.